How to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send high quality videos on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you might want to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, just head over to the person which you want to send the video to. So after you're here, you will need to simply tap on the plus icon and then choose the photos option. After you're on the photos option, simply choose a video that you want to send. So I'll just choose this right here. And after choosing this, what you'll need to do is tap on this HD option on the top. Now it's right here. You can click that and then tap on send. Now by clicking on the HD option, the video will go in HD quality. And yeah, that is basically how you can send the highest quality videos on WhatsApp. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.